So hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be recreating this doodle art. So let's get started. So after drawing the doodle art, we have to start tracing its outline using a black sketch pen. After tracing the line using sketch pen, now we'll use a normal pen for tracing the hand, leg and mouth. You can add some small circles, smileys near your doodle art. After completing with the outlines, we have to shade it. So here I am using my 2B pencil for shading. I am customizing my doodle art according to me, but you can even leave it like this, or you can use color pencil or sketch pen for coloring it. Now after shading it here, I am using a blending stump of 3 number. If you don't have a blending stump, you can use a cotton ball, earbud or a cleaned and dried paintbrush. It would give out a very similar look. The link for buying the pencils and the blending stump is in the description box. You can check out there. So we are done with the doodle art. If you want, you can add some details on your cute anime face. It would give an amazing glow. If you want more doodle art tutorial, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video.